Plumbing issues in Arlington, Texas can sneak up fast. Frequent clogs, low water pressure, and slow drains often point to deeper problems. Strange pipe noises like banging or gurgling? That's a red flag. Foul odors or sewer smells from drains could mean serious trouble. Rust-colored or discolored water may signal pipe corrosion or a failing water heater. Watch for water stains or damp spots. Leaks often hide in walls and floors. A rising water bill without extra usage? It could be a hidden leak draining your money. Mold and mildew growth usually means moisture from unseen pipe damage. Prevent trouble. Flush drains, avoid flushing debris, and insulate pipes before winter. Don't wait. If signs persist, call a professional plumber in Arlington to inspect and protect your home.